how to fix Anydesk address not showing. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing different ways on how you could solve the issue wherein your Anydesk address is not showing. So right now on our screen, I have my Any address over here displayed. And some of you guys have encountered issues where you can't see or no address is being displayed. Now, this is a common issue when someone has an unstable internet connection. So make sure that your internet connection is stable and you're connected to a fast internet, because if not, your address will not be generated properly. Now, Anydesk is an online application or an online software. It needs to be connected to a stable internet to be able to do its different tasks. So that is one of the things you should look into. And if that is not your issue, what you're simply going to do is either you close the application and open it again. If it is not working as well, you need to restart your computer as well. And by doing that, you will be able to reset any processes that Anydesk is doing. And if you open it again, you should now be able to have your address displayed in this section. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.